True Linkswear OG Reflect Camo Drop unboxing. Comes in a reusable shoe bag, as always. Something I love about True. They always provide a reusable shoe bag with every purchase of one of their shoes. And oh my lord, the Reflect Camo in gray. They also have a brown or sand camo, black, blue, and this charcoal gray. Let's get them both out, take a quick look here. One nice thing is they come with an extra pair of laces that are plain, as well as the multicolored ones. These are not waterproof, they are zero drop, meaning there's no drop from heel to toe. They are naturally wide in the forefoot, which is something I love. Lots of space, and of course, these ones are very flexible and minimalist in style, which is great if you're liking that natural type of footwear translated to your golf game. This is actually my second set of OG Feels. I have the Dead Golfer version, and these are going right into service. They are comfortable out of the bag. Let me know what you think of them in the comments.